Yo, hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to blast campaign on Mailchimp. So how can we make it very good and make it fantastically good? So first of all, a campaign has to get an idea what a campaign is. A campaign is basically a template of several things that you are willing to do. For example, here you can make a campaign for bulk email send. For example, whenever there is a new product that has been launched, you are going to make a campaign about it and have a template for it ready to go whenever there's a product. And this is what is the example for this video is going to be, because there is automation campaign, landing page campaign, and many more that you can choose from. First, as a main topic of Mailchimp, which is sending emails, that's why we are going to choose regular email. So let's design an email and create a campaign. Now for the campaign, you have to take in consideration two main things: having a clean context and audience, which is a very essential. You need to have clean data. And the second thing is the content. The content or the design of your email has to be attractive and very good. Of course, there are several other factors such as the email that you are going to send from. This email has to be more professional and have a really good name. Also, the subject has to be very interesting and attractive. Basically, make sure to use AI for that. And here the send time. Make sure that you are sending it in the best possible time ever. For example, Happy New Year has to be, for example, at 12:59, for example, uh, in the midnight. Something similar to that. Or, for example, happy birthday. If you are willing to sell products like 3 days before the birthday, so they can purchase something and be more motivated. So there is stuff like that that can be helping you to blast your campaign within Mailchimp. You just have to really take into consideration many factors. Take it as point of view from your customer, not from you as a seller. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.